Welcome back. Part 2 of the Dragon 70s, British 70s magazines, poster magazine version. Okay, here we go. Here's the last 6. Give me a second and I'll open them up for you. Welcome back. Got them all opened up. So this is Dragon issue 7, David Chang. I quite like him. I think he's good. I liked him in 7 Golden Vampires. Seen him in a few movies. It was touted to be the next big thing, but it didn't work out. The house that Bruce built there. Let's have a look at the poster. There's David Chang. Excellent. They're excellent posters, I must say. Very, very big. Outstanding. That's that one. Issue 8. Famous pick of Bruce there. Enter the Dragon. Definitely worth picking up these though, like I say. Not expensive. British classics these are. Very cool. Excellent. Enter the Dragon. Very cool. Issue 9. They give you a real good feel of the 70s, these do. Kung Fu was massive in the UK then. Look at the poster. Carter Wong. Hapkido. Brilliant posters. Excellent. Issue 10. Just I urge anybody who ain't got these to pick them up while they're still available. Because there won't be, you know. Look at the poster, issue 10. We've got the hairy Chuck Norris. Excellent poster. Way of the Dragon. Very cool. Right, issue 11. Bruce, Big Boss, advertising some fantastic pendants they used to sell and all sorts of stuff. Brilliant. Let's have a look at the poster. Bruce, Big Boss. Brilliant posters these are. Very, very cool. Right, and issue 12. As I say, they only did 12 poster magazines. The rest, I've got all of them. The others are all normal format magazines. That's why I thought I'd show you the posters. Excellent. More patches for sale. Very, very cool. Let's look at the last one, the last poster. And it's the king himself. Bruce again. Now the big picture's the Big Boss, I know it is. But this bottom segment's Fist of Fury. Excellent. Hope you enjoyed that trip down memory lane with me there. This is part 2 of the Dragon poster magazines. Hope you enjoyed and have a great day. And remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!